Even when I'm going rocket ship speed, something about sailing makes me forget about real world problems.
This sense of freedom, which is really
enjoyable. Sailing 5 or 6 days.
All the people that works in Rooster, they love the sport as much as I do.
Seeing the long-term result of hard work.
With Rooster, I just know that I'm ready for everything.
I was back in industry, having left the Navy and failed in the trials, and I had an idea about Polylite. Let's just do it, it's going to work, it's got to work. It was the break for me was I was still coaching at the time. I was doing that on the side to try and earn some extra money. So I was working in my office upstairs, well, a little spare room and a garden shed, and I got this fax from Robert Scheidt saying, "Steve, I love your main sheets, can you send me 6 more?" It was like, wow, got a chance to make a business.
So comfy! I'm ready.
I started sharing the knowledge on a website, and roostersailing.com happened, and then by sharing the knowledge you could help sailors enjoy their sport more. I got hiking shorts made, and I literally went to every regatta and said, "Wait, try these on." "Nah, don't wear them, just try them on." They'd come back, "Oh, they're amazing." So that was how hiking shorts became mainstream.
Is that 1 gap size or 3?
It's really heartwarming when you see people that are, have got nothing, but somehow finding themselves in the sport of sailing. I think sailing's it's a really challenging sport because you're on the water and you've got to be self-sufficient and you're independent. And I think for anybody, that's got to be the best way of growing up is going on the water in a boat on your own. And I think it really knocks the edges off most people. It makes us all quite humble. So when we think we're really good, we get our ass kicked one day and then we realise we're not. Sailing teaches people resilience and all the other stuff that goes with it. So I think it's really important as a sport that we help to explain how it can really change people. Of course, it's also so challenging from material, from clothing and from product-wise that it also helps us with other sports too. There's more fun on the water than it's in watching television. Get out and experience the world and the elements. We're keen to give people a real chance to enjoy the sport to its fullest, no matter where you come from, whatever background you've got. Oh God. At Rooster we've got a very good family-feeling team. Like any family, you have the noisy ones.
Morning! I would not want to be in charge of those cameras.
See you later. Go put it on the shelf, guys.
And the quiet ones. Yes, and I think everybody goes through a bit of everything. But I think if you chop them in half, they'd say Rooster through the middle, which is the most important bit.
All smells, Andy, all smells.
When you're out on the water, it's nothing quite like it. There's no other thoughts that go through your head. It's just you and your equipment. You can be free.
In my case, it's the one that I feel the best. Free and where I can focus more. I don't know. I prefer this sport from the others.
For me, it's pretty humbling. Knowing that how big a brand they are inside the sailing world, it's quite awesome to get higher up in the fleet. When I'm racing, being alongside the likes of Powell, Vin Hawkins, great to be involved.
It means that I get to motivate and encourage sailors from around the world by sharing my love for sailing, my career, and my life stories of being a female high-performance catamaran sailor.
It's the foiling. It's going fast, hitting a 30-knot peak. I mean, chasing that number, going against your friends, trying to reach the top pinnacle that you really can. There's nothing quite like it.
Probaron Rooster, se los recomendaría que lo prueben.
I'm happy to share it, to share the same emotions and just to do everything together. Dziękuję, dziękuję za wszystko.
And it feels great to be a part of it.
Wow.